Hello everyone, this is the Automation Mentor. In this video, I will explain in practical, simple terms what ActiveCampaign is, the problems it solves inside a company, and how to evaluate whether it truly fits your business needs. This is a professional guidance based on real-world experience. ActiveCampaign is a platform that combines marketing automation, email marketing, and CRM in one place. It allows you to build automated communication sequences, organize leads and customers, and personalize messages based on each person's behavior. It remains one of the most mature automation and personalization platforms on the market. Let's start with the problems it solves. The first problem is manual follow-ups. Many businesses lose leads simply because no one follows up at the right moment. ActiveCampaign automates this by sending emails, triggering notifications, and creating tasks whenever a lead takes an important action. The second problem is generic communication. Without automation, everyone gets the same message at the same time, regardless of their interests or actions. With ActiveCampaign, you can segment based on real behavior: pages viewed, products checked, forms submitted, past purchases, and engagement with previous messages. The third problem is tool fragmentation. Many companies use one software for email, another for CRM, another for e-commerce, another for automations, and none of them talk to each other. ActiveCampaign integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, scheduling platforms, payment systems, and hundreds of other tools through API or tools like Make or Zapier. Now, let's move on to the main benefits. The first benefit is time savings. Automations replace repetitive manual work. Welcome sequences, nurturing flows, reminders, follow-ups, post-purchase campaigns, cart recovery, and more. The second benefit is personalization. You can send different messages depending on customer stage, website behavior, engagement level, or purchase history. This leads to significantly higher open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. The third benefit is artificial intelligence. Over the past 2 years, ActiveCampaign added predictive send times, content suggestions, and predictive lead scoring. It's not an autopilot, but it works as an assistant that helps determine the best moment and type of message for each contact. The fourth benefit is multi-channel reach. Beyond email, you can combine SMS, messaging integrations, and automated flows connected to WhatsApp through partners. This helps your communication follow the customer across different touchpoints. Who is ActiveCampaign best suited for? Small and medium-sized businesses that need structured follow-ups, lead nurturing, or automated communication. E-commerce stores that want advanced post-purchase and recovery sequences. And B2B companies looking for a simple CRM that works tightly with marketing automation. But it's important to mention limitations. ActiveCampaign is not a magic button. It works very well, but it requires strategy, mapping the customer journey, preparing content, and keeping your data organized. Some advanced features, like deep reporting or certain channels, may only be available on higher-tier plans, and the cost increases as your contact list grows. So, how can you know if it really makes sense for your company? Here's a simple checklist. Do you send repetitive sequences? Do you want to personalize messages based on behavior? Do you need a CRM connected to your campaigns? Do you have time or support to build a few automations? And does your contact volume fit your budget? If the answer is yes, it's likely worth testing. My recommendation is to start small. Choose one real-world automation, like a welcome sequence or a simple nurturing flow. Implement it, then measure the results over 30 to 60 days. If the impact is clear, expand gradually. In summary, ActiveCampaign is a solid platform for automating follow-ups, personalizing communication, and integrating marketing, sales, and e-commerce data. It solves common operational and communication issues, but it needs planning to deliver strong results. Use the checklist, run a small test, and base your decision on measurable outcomes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand clearly whether ActiveCampaign can or cannot be useful for your business. This is just an introduction, and in future videos we will dive deeper into each part of the platform with practical, real-world examples. If this content was helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your questions or experiences. See you next time.